In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use built-in emote in Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about built-in emotes. If you aren't aware, some skins in Fortnite have built-in emotes, which as the name suggests, are emotes attributed to a specific skin. So in this video, I'm not going to show any methods to use built-in emotes with different skins. I'm simply going to teach people how to do these built-in emotes. So if I go over to the shop and I click on Vegeta, for example, you will notice that he includes a built-in emote. You can clearly see on the description, Vegeta's charging up, and this is a built-in emote. This means that if you equip this outfit, this skin, you will be able to use that built-in emote. So when you get inside of a game and you open the emote wheel, you will be able to use it. As I've said before, you can only use it with certain skins. And another thing to note is that you won't be able to use it in the lobby or the locker. So if you look through all of the emotes here, you won't be able to use them. Of course, the skin I'm using doesn't have any, but I'm still going to talk about what you have to do. So just get inside of a game, and for PC at least, you will press B. So B brings up the emote wheel, and if you have the outfit equipped when you get inside of a game, you simply have to bring up the emote wheel to use it. There is no secret to this, but as I've said before, they only appear when you go over in-game and you press the emote button that you have bound. By default, it is going to be B, but if you changed it, then you have to press another button instead. So at the bottom right corner of the screen, when you hover over a built-in emote, it is also going to give you a description at the bottom, so you can tell that it is a built-in emote. A lot of skins will include them, and they will often serve some sort of function. So for Vegeta, for example, it will swap between the 4 different styles. Some other skins that include these are going to be Thor's skin, some of the Street Fighter skins, and as long as you purchase the character that you want to use the built-in emote with, you will automatically receive it. So for example, if you purchase Ryu, you will automatically receive the Shoryuken built-in skin. So all that you have to do is get inside of a game wearing that outfit and you will be able to use that emote. I hope I was able to help you on how to use built-in emote Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.